Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Down, down.
Congress Party.
Jindabad.
Congress Party.
Jindabad.
Congress Party.
Jindabad.
Rahul Gandhi.
Jindabad.
Rahul Gandhi.
Jindabad.
Kinongket kam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haringkat ki MLA ka seng hne ka singi ka arpo pratrik uleber arjar arpulai kila Pynlong ka jingra Placard ha Congress Bhavan haringkat ki jingtho ban penrem ka Jingshah Mait Kyrteng na ka Jinglong MP Rahul Gandhi. Habakren kilat patay kubor na kalyang MLA ka Mlem constituency uba Roni V Lingdo ulong baga seng ka penrem juri ka ka bajaya Rahul. Ulong baga ni ka khanglat ka senchar khadar bat kum juru ka khangru ka lat ban kren balale da ka sarkar NDA hapo ka jingelam jo menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi. Uba Roni ulong ru baga sarkar kami ka kwa ban buri ka ba Rahul kwa ban peni ban ra ka mat ha ka bayade ka jingpenan pambakla ka bor senchar ban pendu jat sendon ka senchar khadar.
Protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi ji. So we condemned. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress Party by disqualifying him as a member of Parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. Concerned about what we feel, we are not concerned about what the others feel because we are entitled to their opinion. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi because they are fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Jodo Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously irrespective of all our differences. Because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that. We have just ended the budget session. So we feel, yes, this action of the BJP is also important, but equally important is we've just had the budget session and we've just finished the election, and this is the first budget session, so we cannot organize properly because we were all busy. We have about 5 elected members from the Congress Party. We were all busy participating in the proceedings of the House, especially during the budget session, because this budget session will have implications throughout the year in the development and governance of the state.
So will there be a next course of action that you will take as the state congress?
I couldn't follow your question.
I said, will there be a next course of action that you will
yes, we will carry on until justice is done.
Tomorrow we will have extended,
tomorrow we're going to have a press conference to express our views and about this action of the NDA government.